In this tutorial, we're going to talk about reaction force or normal reaction force. One of Newton's laws says that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction, equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. To explain this law more, let's see this picture. In this picture, we see a set of objects on a tray. The gravitational force attracts the objects downwards. So if we determine the force of weight pulling the cup downward, this means that this cup should fall on the ground. Here we can deduce that there is another force that is opposite to the weight, preventing the cup from falling. This force is called the normal reaction force. It has the same value of the weight, but it is opposite in direction. This force is a contact force exerted on an object, preventing the object from penetrating the surface. This surface could be the floor, the wall, a table, a chair, or any surface that can carry any object. It is called contact force because it doesn't affect any object unless it's put on a surface. It is drawn from the contact point between the object and the surface. We call it normal because it is perpendicular to the surface that it is moving on. If we have, for example, a horizontal surface like we have here in the first picture, the normal reaction force will be this way, from the point of contact between the surface and the object and perpendicular to the surface. Let's say we have a vertical surface. The normal will be from the contact point and 90 degrees on the surface. Also, if we have an inclined surface, we start drawing the normal reaction force from the contact point and perpendicular to the surface that we have. So here we notice that the normal doesn't have a specific direction. For example, here it is vertical up. If we move to the second example, it is horizontal to the right. And in the last example, it is oblique up to the right.